Alrighty guys, well, welcome back. Jed here with Michael.
Yep.
My older brother. And we finally have all the pieces to reconstruct a grill out of his 84 D100 hookers and blow. Which, last time you saw it, eagle-eyed viewers may have noticed it didn't have a grill in it. It didn't have a grill in it because one of us thought it would be a good idea to throw away the parts that went to the grill that were broken. And then we later found out that 1984 is kind of a special year, at least that year range.
Yeah, it's hard to get the headlight bezels. They're rare bird.
And they're special. Like, you can probably cut and modify and change the bolt pattern to make it work. We want to have the right stuff. This truck takes the cheese grater grill, which I personally like better than the crosshair grill on the later ones. And it's ultimately Michael's truck, it's his decision, but we found him all the right parts.
Yep, I got 2 sets of the bezels now.
Oh yeah, that's right, yeah.
Because the later ones came out here and were square, and these ones are round right here.
Oh.
And the holes are different on the newer styled ones.
Yeah, the mounting points.
Yeah, the brackets are different.
So Michael's got his centerpiece all painted how he wants it.
Just gotta take the tape off, and I ain't done that yet.
Yeah.
So I want to wait till we get it all done, and then I'll pull the tape off. Because it's all shiny under here.
Oh, you don't want to get drill marks and fingerprints all over it?
No.
Okay.
No.
Well, pop that some gun out there. So we're going to have to deal with all these little rivets that are stuck in here. And did you ever decide if you're going to use nuts and bolts or new rivets?
I don't know yet.
Because we got the good rivet gun again. So we can
yet.
re-rivet it in.
I haven't decided. Yeah, we got to get all these out.
Yeah. So yeah, just going to be a fun little video. We're going to get Michael's grill done, and whenever we make it out to his place or whenever he brings the truck back in, we'll put all this stuff in, or maybe he'll do it at his house and we'll have to rely on him to either film or not film. It's on you, Michael.
Great. You know how my filming goes. I'm not very good at it.
Oh, you're filming slightly better than Dad's, because at least you don't like film like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, where it's just like crotch cam. So.
Yeah, okay. Now we gotta get rivets out.
Yep, let's get them rivets popped out of there. It shouldn't take too long. We'll be able to knock this thing out pretty fast.
No.
Don't say nope. I just said we can knock it out pretty fast.
Yeah, we can knock it out pretty quick.
Yeah, you said no. Like it's gonna take all day.
Nope.
Let's get her done. Attempt number 1, the grinder. Now we just need a chisel.
I think it'll work alright.
I think so. It's working pretty good so far. You want me to get that new hammer out Dad brought me?
New hammer you brought, yeah.
Oh, you're gonna love this.
I remember those. I showed Dad those.
Yeah. So for the world.
And Dad was like, Jed needs those. If you don't want them, Jed will use them. I was like, yeah, Jed can have them.
It's because I have some kind of affinity with very small tools.
Yeah, that's the hammer we need.
Yeah, okay.
No, you gotta get your punch.
Well, I only got 2 hands, Michael. I got a camera hand and a hammer in hand.
Give me the camera.
Okay.
Okay. Big punch. Baby hammer. Oh. Hit it like you got a pair.
It's so hard to hit anything. I think we'll get a normal hammer. But I'm going to add those to the collection of comically small tools.
I don't think you'll need too much.
No.
This one here almost popped all the way out. The center did, so you can probably just get you a pair of pliers and...
I bet you this screwdriver would almost do it, or just wiggle it out.
Yep.
I had to show off the little itty bitty hammer.
Yeah.
It's just too funny. So method numero uno works out pretty dang good. Pair of pliers, whether it be vice grip or needle nose, and just grinding the back of the rivets off, worked out pretty good. So now lay that sucker in and figure out how Michael wants to affix it, whether it be with rivets or bolts again. course, make sure these holes line up. That one's lined up. That one's lined up. What that one?
Lined up. Lined up. And these have to be just picked up.
Yeah. Well, that's gonna look pretty nice, Michael. Are you sure you don't want to go ahead and take your tape off? I got a feeling it might be a little pain to take the tape off later.
Yeah.
Oh, the reveal.
Probably 8 miles of tape.
A lot of tape. It's like Christmas in July. Except it's Christmas in May. And it's muggy.
It is muggy.
We've had rain for like 2 weeks solid. What it feels like.
This will be the second week.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that reveal. That beautiful reveal. This thing looks brand new, Michael.
Yeah. Spend some time at home cleaning her up.
Of course, instead of holding this camera the entire time, I think I'm gonna put you guys down just for a second. Get this thing fully unmasked. It's a lot of tape. It takes me back to taping off my WS6 snowflake wheels from my Trans Am. I'm gonna talk about a lot of tape. I'll be back. Well, how does it look, Michael?
I can live with it. Not bad. It'll work.
You're supposed to show the camera, not yourself.
It's upside down.
Yeah, that does look really nice. And I mean, still got to give it like one more polish in or steel wool coating, you know, just going over it one more time.
Yep.
That does look really nice. And of course, this needs
Clean.
polished up.
Bad.
Yeah. But yeah, that looks really nice. That's gonna wake up the front of the truck. Oh yeah. That's freaking sweet.
Yep.
Time to sell it on eBay.
$500.
Like,
Sold.
yeah. And then your truck has no grill again.
Yep.
Steel mesh.
Yep. Screen.
Yep.
Have Dad get a stainless steel screen from work, and we'll just
yeah, great big one.
lay it in there.
Well, you won't have a surround. You'll have to use your old crappy surround again.
No, I'll just bend it, and I won't have a surround at all.
Okay, there you go.
I'll just bend it and cover everything up.
Sounds fair. So how are we mounting it, Michael? Are you doing rivets or are you doing bolts?
I don't know yet. Probably end up just using rivets and being done with it.
Okay. Well, the rivet tool's over here, and make sure we got enough rivets.
Yeah, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh yeah, we got plenty. It'll be the great big ones. Dozens.
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 That might be a challenge to get down in there.
That might be.
Going all the way.
Whoop. So do you want to go to nuts and bolts then?
It's kind of in all the way. Hey.
Ratchet it. I ain't even ratcheting. Is it pulling it through?
I don't know.
Is it making it fat on the other side?
It's not hardly sticking out the other side. I can't get it off.
Oh no. This already happened to us once before. Yeah, no, that ain't working.
Ain't long enough.
Nope. Alright, nut and bolt.
I gotta see if I can get it out.
That sounds like a personal problem, Michael. Yeah, it's the best we got here. So get some little nice looking screws at hardware store, and we'll check back in. So we're back from the hardware store. Button head cat screws.
Yep.
Stainless steel.
Yep.
Nuts, washers, nylock nuts, the works. Only the finest for the hookers and blow.
A little bit of everything.
Yeah. Michael, you grab some of the nuts that are bigger. Might know they're all the same. Okay.
I hope not. They're all in the same deal.
You never can trust hardware store parts bins. Yeah, as long as we keep that washer in there centered, that'll look fine.
How much we got sticking out the back? Oh yeah, we put a washer and none on the back too.
That's what I thought. You were all worried we weren't gonna have enough. Jeez. So we'll get this thing screwed in place. What were these? 1032s?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1032s. Good replacement to the rivets. And use the nylock because it locks in place, and you ain't like actually jamming everything together because it's just plastic to this thin aluminum, steel, whatever stainless it is. So we'll get her together and we'll show you when we're done. Look at that shine. Now, this thing's about to get a whole lot shinier. So steel wool's down there, Michael, in that cardboard box.
Oh.
So we're taking a little bit of 4/0 steel wool, and what I do with like the stainless, I take a little bit of my metal polish, that white diamond. Sorry, Rob, the Jack's wax is in the house. And I just squirt a little bit on the bottom of this where it's flat. You don't need that much.
I just grabbed a piece.
Okay, that's fine. See, I just got like this little amount, and I just lightly, you know, you can see how this is all hazy, and you see that's what it looks like. Camera makes it look a lot nicer than it really is, but I just rub it in. It's just like when you clean rust off paint, you know, rust stains or anything else. This steel wool is just lifting off any of the exterior crap while polishing at the same time. Yeah, it shoots out, Michael.
Obviously.
It shoots out like a teenager on prom night.
Obviously.
Yeah. So we're gonna polish this bad boy out, make it look really nice, wipe it down, and we'll show you when it's done. Oh, daggone, Michael, that thing shines like a diamond in a goat's ass.
Yep.
You gonna pick it up and show people so you get fingerprints all over what we just wiped down?
Yeah, sure. Let's do that. How do I do this?
Oh, good job, Michael.
Fire.
Yeah.
Bam.
Yeah. That looks freaking nice. And bring that out here. I know the sun ain't shining, but maybe this backdrop will show it just a little bit better. Yeah, that's much better. Yeah, that thing is freaking a lot better. I mean, there's obviously a bunch of little marks and stuff you ain't gonna get out, but I mean, like, the center is really impressive. And the black, playing off of that, the stainless, chrome, whatever it is, I don't really know, polished material is just, looks really good. And once you get your bezels in there, I'm almost thinking the bright bezels are gonna look better than the blacked out bezels.
I don't know. We'll have to look.
Yeah.
I'll put one of each one on there and see which one looks better.
And you know, the stainless hardware, you don't really notice it too bad. So, looks pretty good. And I actually did get out the freaking calipers and measured this side to this side to make sure the gap was the same. So nobody can tell you it's not right.
Yeah.
That looks dang good.
Now I gotta try and put it in the truck without getting fingerprints all over it.
Well, it's a good thing you got this here giant fancy super compensator with this giant door to handle all of your plus-sized women. Is it gonna fit? Oh, that's a problem. All right, well, we'll lay the seat down. There you go. By the way, Michael and I probably just spent the past 15 minutes just wiping the thing down, polishing it, so he doesn't want to touch it again. Oh, that's pretty funny. But it does look nice. That gonna work, Michael?
Yep. Put it on this side so I ain't trying to bend those with it just sitting there.
Yeah.
Always thinking.
Always thinking. I like this truck. Michael's new truck. It's quiet. It's not like the new truck, the super compensator, or whatever we're gonna call it.
The compensator.
Well, you already have the compensator.
Yeah.
But I mean, like, thing's quiet. It's just how a diesel should be. It ain't a noisy butthole. You know what I mean?
And it runs great.
And it's a 6-speed. Yeah.
6-speed, and it runs awesome.
Yeah. While Michael's been off, we've just been kind of using this just to go everywhere we need to. Getting used to driving a manual again. Excellent truck.
It's been a while. It's a little rusty.
And you got a hell of a good deal on it.
Yeah.
So, I guess we'll have to wait to see what that looks like on there, but you know what? I don't think we can end this just yet. But after consoling my brother here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut this video here. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw up a picture, and you guys can help decide which way we go. Michael's got 2 different sets of lenses. Ones that are like all shadowy, darked out, evil, sinister, badass, I guess. And the other set's stock-ish.
It's all stock.
It's stock.
That second one is stock.
So Michael's gonna throw the grill in the hookers and blow, give me a picture of it. You know, one side is shadowy, cool, evil looking, and the other side is stock. And whichever one you guys think looks better, Michael will take that into account, because ultimately it's his truck, his decision. Just like my body, my choice.
Yeah, my body, my choice. I'm gonna be impregnated. Not really. Sounds good. I'd be rich.
Michael,
First male pregnant. I'd be a rich mofo.
there's so much wrong with what just got said.
I know. I get it. Anyway.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Question mark, you know. Well, hope you guys enjoyed it until that weird moment.
Yeah.
We'll see you later. Bye-bye.